Sujoy Dasgupta, consultant gynecologist and infertility specialist. Today, I am going to discuss how and where semen analysis is done. First of all, we have to understand there is difference between semen and the sperms. Semen contains fluid which is seen in naked eye. It also contains the sperms which are not visible to the naked eye. So, why semen analysis is done? Semen analysis is an important part of evaluation of male fertility. If the semen analysis is normal, it is said that the male factor or the male fertility is okay. But if the single semen analysis is abnormal, it does not mean that the man is suffering from infertility, because semen production takes 3 months time. So we have to repeat the semen analysis from another laboratory if a single analysis is abnormal. Now we have to know where it is tested. Although almost all of the laboratories are testing semen, but it should be done only from the authentic laboratory, particularly from the laboratories who are analyzing it according to WHO 2010 recommendations. Often we see the laboratory reports which are following older guidelines like 1992, 1999, etc. Please don't do semen analysis from those labs. And it's important to perform from the lab which is providing you privacy, comfort, and preferably a private room where you can bring your partner also. Because semen analysis, particularly if you are doing it for the first time, is uncomfortable for most of the men. But majority of the men can get rid of this discomfort with proper counseling. Now, as I said, it is uncomfortable for most of the men, but usually if the laboratory is providing you proper room, proper privacy, majority of the men are able to collect the semen. How it is tested? In the laboratory, semen is tested for two things. One is physical parameters, that is they will check for the volume of the fluid, the appearance, density of the fluids, etc. Secondly, they will check for the sperms, the count, that is the number of the sperms, motility, the ability of the sperms to move properly. Thirdly, the morphology, that is the appearance of the sperms, whether the sperms are looking normal or not. But what preparation do you need before semen analysis? First of all, please maintain abstinence for 3 to 7 days, not less than 2 to 3 days, not more than 7 days. That is, you should abstain from intercourse or masturbation for 2 to 7 days. If you abstain for a long time, the report will be falsely abnormal. It will lead to unnecessary treatment, unnecessary anxiety. So please maintain the proper abstinence. Please wash your hands properly before collection, and please collect the whole of the sample. There should not be any spill outside the container. And if you feel any problem, please don't hesitate to inform your doctor. So, in the nutshell, semen analysis may seem uncomfortable for most of the men, but with proper counseling, avoidance of stress and proper relaxation, and if it is collected in private room, majority of the men are able to collect the semen. You can bring your partner in the collection room. Please check it from the proper laboratory who is providing all these facilities, and if there is problem, please inform your doctor. Thank you.